And now taking a look at some news from Danville, Virginia. Investigators with two different agencies are looking into the case of a person who was struck and killed by a train over the weekend. According to the Danville Police Department, one of the agencies working the investigation, it happened on Sunday morning, April the 2nd. That's when a Danville resident was struck by a passenger train. Just before 9 o'clock on Sunday morning, an Amtrak passenger train was traveling northbound near Selma and Lanier Avenue. Police said that's where 39-year-old Cedric Colds of Danville was struck and killed. Now, Colds was pronounced dead at the scene by the Danville life-saving crew. Once Colds' next of kin was notified, police then issued details about the case. The Danville Police Department said the investigation is underway by their agency and by Amtrak's Office of Investigations. Now, the police department did not go into any specific details regarding the incident, including why Coles was on the railroad tracks when he was struck by that passenger train. Danville police are asking that anyone that may have some information to share to give them a call, and you can do so by calling 434-799-6510. That's 434-799-6510.